Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start with the right foundation. In this video, I will show you how to cook truffle risotto. First, ensure you have top-notch ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 cups of arborio or carnarelli rice, 4 cups of hot vegetable or chicken broth, 1 small shallot, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1/4 cup of dry white wine. For that exquisite truffle essence, have either a fresh truffle, about 10 to 15 grams, or 1 to 2 teaspoons of good quality truffle oil ready. Now let's build our flavor base. In a heavy-bottomed pot, melt 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Add your finely diced shallot and cook until it's soft and translucent, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, add the arborio rice and toast it for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly until the edges become translucent. Pour in 1/4 cup of dry white wine and stir until it's completely absorbed, deglazing the pan and adding a wonderful depth of flavor. This is where the magic happens for that signature creamy texture. Begin adding your hot broth, 1 ladleful at a time, stirring constantly. Wait until each addition is almost fully absorbed before adding the next. This process takes about 18 to 20 minutes. Continue stirring and adding broth until the rice is al dente, meaning it's firm to the bite but still tender. You might not use all 4 cups of broth, so taste as you go. For the grand finale, remove the risotto from the heat. Stir in the remaining 1 tablespoon of butter and about 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. This step, known as mantecare, makes the risotto incredibly rich and glossy. Finally, gently fold in your thinly sliced fresh truffles or drizzle with 1 to 2 teaspoons of high-quality truffle oil. Serve your exquisite truffle risotto immediately, perhaps with a few extra truffle shavings on top, for an elegant presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.